Ever uploaded an image to Canva and realized it's facing the wrong way? Don't worry. Flipping an image in Canva is one of the easiest edits you can make. And in this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to do it like a pro. Let's get started. First, open your Canva project and upload or select the image you want to flip. Once the image is on your canvas, click on it to highlight it. You'll see a toolbar appear at the top of your screen. This is where the magic happens. In that toolbar, look for the flip option. It usually sits near the center, right above your workspace. Click on it and you'll get two choices, flip horizontal and flip vertical. If you choose flip horizontal, Canva will mirror your image from left to right, perfect for adjusting the direction someone's facing or fixing a logo's orientation. If you select flip vertical, your image will turn upside down, which can be great for reflections or creative effects. The change happens instantly, and you can undo it anytime with a single click of Ctrl+Z or Command+Z on Mac. You can also use this flip tool for any element, not just photos. Whether it's text, shapes, or graphics, the same process applies. It's a simple trick, but it gives you tons of creative flexibility when designing. And that's it. Your image is flipped and ready to go. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to explore more Canva tips to keep leveling up your design skills. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.